This is a Kincardine Record. It's now Thursday, January the 31st. The very end of January. I'm standing on Highway 21 at the south end of Kincardine. And the road is still closed. I'm south of Bruce Avenue in Kincardine. And the road is still closed due to not so much blowing and drifting snow because the wind has really died down, but I guess they're trying to chisel people out and get the stranded cars off the highway. Look at this way. It actually looks pretty good. So hopefully this is the end of the storm. Of course, all the schools in all the Blue Water District were all closed today, and all these roads are shut. It's not so good when all of winter comes in 2 or 3 days. Anyway, standing out here, it's still really cold. In the cold and snow, it's the Kincardine Record capturing the weather.